Welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. Today, I'll be teaching you on how you can get data from the web. So you click on Get Data. Now, you wait for it while it comes up on the screen. Now, you could come to Options or you search. You see Web Data. So you click on Web and say Connect. It asks you for a URL. Back in my browser, I already have a URL here, of which it's the top world most populous countries. I copy it, Ctrl and C from my keyboard. Then I come back to Power BI and I paste it here and say OK. Note, for this to work, you have to be connected to the internet. Here right now, it's loading and trying to locate the data on the internet to establish some connection with the URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator, that I gave it. While it does that, you could see it's trying to establish a connection. Now, I guess the connection is being established now. And if you notice, in the last time when we uploaded from an Excel, a panel like this came out. Now, this is the URL I gave to it just now. So I want the 10 most populous countries in the world. I click on it, and if you notice, it's already here just as I said. Now, you could import multiple data or single data, but for this class, we just want to import a single data, not a multiple. So the next thing, you could click transform to see the various rows and columns in the data set. Now you could see that here you can see the various ranking, the country, the population, the percentage population, the dates, then the official. These are the details from the data we loaded online. Subsequently, we'll be working with some of this data. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.